Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am turning myself into my Pinterest boards. So that means like my makeup Pinterest board, I'll pick a look from there and do it. I'll try to recreate an outfit, and then like obviously I'll try to recreate like a hairstyle that I've had saved. So I'm super excited for this because I feel like this will be like a really fun little challenge, which will be super cool. And I'm really excited to see because I haven't picked out anything yet. So it's all just, we're gonna figure it out. So don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And let's get into the video. Let's turn myself into my Pinterest boards. Future Alyssa just popping in really quick, but I wanted to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I saw last night that I hit it, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for helping me follow and supporting me while I'm chasing my dreams and my goals, and I just want to say thank you so much. You guys are the best. Thank you. Love you. Enjoy the video. To start off, my apartment is so cold right now. Like I could put on gloves on my hands. It's so cold, and we can't control the thermostat in the apartment because like GCU controls it, so we'll get fined if we touch it. But it is so cold because it was like, it went from like being sunny and 75 to like cold and like 50. We're just gonna have to suffer through that. If you see me all bundled up, that is why, because I'm trying to stay warm. But okay, let's get into looking through my Pinterest boards to see what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're on Pinterest now. Okay, so let's go into beauty. I save a lot of colorful looks just because I like getting inspiration from Pinterest a lot. I'm thinking though for today, I want to have more of a natural look, but I want to have like that like natural foxy look. Like something like this, I feel like would be cute. I kind of want to put like little lashes on the end of my eyes, so this would be a good idea. Just that like natural glow. This one's really cute as well. We could do something like that. This one's a little bit too natural than what I'm going for, but her complexion is beautiful. Ooh, that one's really pretty. I love her hair. Her hair is super pretty. Okay, I'm kind of like getting a glimpse of what I'm feeling I'm gonna do. I think we kind of know what I'm gonna do for makeup, and it's gonna be along the lines of like this one and then like way up at the top. It's gonna be a mix of, I feel like this look and like this one. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you zoom in, you can kind of see like on her eyes, she has a little bit of that like foxy side eye. So I think that's what we're gonna go for in the terms of makeup. So I'll click on this and we'll say that this one's gonna be the one that I'm gonna create. Now let's head into fashion. I have a lot of swimsuits saved on this side just because I really like sunshine and being around water. So I like have like a little addiction to swimsuits. I love them so much. Okay. Here's all my swimsuits. Okay. I have a beige like button up, and I also have like white pants too. Do you know what vibe I'm kind of feeling today? I'm feeling the like effortless outfit, but like the full glam up above. I feel like when you go like whole glam, it's like, whoa, like she looks really good. But if you do like the like sweatpants and stuff, you're like, she looks good and comfortable. And that's what I want. Oh, I do have I just wore that the other day, but I do have a top like this that I brought to school. That is so cute. My camera is literally about to die. Okay, really quick, let's go into hair before my camera dies. And if we go into parlor, here's all my favorite hair. I use claw clips a lot already, so that wouldn't be anything special. This one's really cute. I could do braids and then do my little on my curtain bangs just like she did. And she has a cute little sweatsuit on. Okay, I like that. I wish I had a butterfly little claw clip. That is so cute. Oh, I've been doing this style recently and I have been loving it, and I want to do more like it. I just don't like using heat too much on my hair all of a sudden because my hair has never done heat really. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of this style, which I have really liked, and I think it's super cute. Okay, yeah, I think I'm for hair, I'm gonna do this one and do the braids and then like do the little with my curtain bangs, and then we know what I'm doing for makeup. But right now I'm gonna let my camera charge for a little bit and I'm gonna kind of prep what I'm gonna do. Now that my camera is charged a bit more, we can get started. I'm gonna start by prepping my face. So we're gonna start with skincare. They do very minimal, but the important stuff. So I'm gonna do Sweet Chef Beet Serum Shot, and this helps with rough patches and uneven skin tones in your skin. Nice and cold. Rub that in. Now that I have that all rubbed in, I'm gonna take La Roche. Hello. SPF. Always wear your SPF. I told them how it's literally like 30 degrees in our apartment.
Yeah, it's 63.
Now we are gonna get into the makeup part. Gonna do my eyebrow. Cute, my eyebrow hairs are glued up now, which is exciting. I will check in with you guys after I finish my eye makeup, just because this is more about turning myself into my Pinterest board, not necessarily like about how I do my makeup. So I will be right back. That way you guys don't have to sit through all the boring basic steps that you've already seen 1,000 times. Okay, I'm giving you a quick update. I did one eye of the makeup look already. I am wearing Flutter Lash in the shade Royalty. These are really bomb lashes. I really like them. And then I used the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, so the OG palette. And then I used Kylie Cosmetics Eyeliner in black for the eyeliner. So yeah, that's my update so far on the look. But I really like it. Like, I'm really excited to finish this look off. I feel like it's gonna be super cute. Be right back. I did both of my eyes. I really like them. Like, I really like this look. I'm super excited to like finish it up and stuff because I feel like it's super like flawless and like pretty. I'm doing my foundation. I already primed my face and everything, but figured we could chat a bit while I do my face, I guess is what I'm saying. Recently, I've been watching Patrick Ta's YouTube videos because I've always just really liked his makeup and like his technique and stuff, and I think that he does like this really gorgeous, effortless look for makeup, and I've just always really liked it. So when I found out that he had a YouTube channel and was like doing makeup on it and kind of like sharing his techniques, I was super excited because, I mean, of course I think it's really cool to be able to learn from makeup artists like Patrick Ta and Scott Barnes and, you know, all the ones that have been in the industry for a while and kind of know the ins and outs and have like also learned and met a ton of other makeup artists, so they definitely like have techniques that probably work really well and I think it would be really cool to learn from. And so I've just been eating up his YouTube channel, just like watching and taking in everything and trying to learn it all and stuff, and trying some on my face and kind of seeing what techniques work well for me and what ones don't as much. So that's been really fun for sure. I haven't gotten any new products recently. That's why I haven't really had any new reviews, just because recently I've been kind of focused on getting settled in and making sure to get stuff for the apartment. So purchasing new makeup has been kind of lower on the priority list recently, but hopefully we can get back to that soon because that would be fun, because I really like filming reviews and stuff. Those are like some of my favorite videos to film. And then we're gonna go in with Rare Beauty Concealer. You guys know the deal. These are like my ride or die products. I love them. I get such great lighting in my room. Like my backlight, I mean, like I'm literally facing a dark wall, so I might be a little bit darker, but my backlight is like so bright and white. I love it. I like love having bright lights in my rooms just because it's such a big factor of my mood, having like nice and bright and like direct light or like sunshine in my room just makes me feel happy. I feel like the only thing, like I do have a real plant. It's so cute. Let me show you this cute plant. The big top one is a little curved because it just sprouted, but this is my plant. Look at the little pot too. So cute. Yeah, we're gonna go Glamma Bronze for this one. For this, we're gonna go in with the iconic Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH02 bronzing brush. This is my favorite bronzing brush. We're going all out for this look, ladies and gents. She goes hard on the forehead is what I saw. Now we're gonna go ahead and contour the nose. She has like a harsh contour. I'm not much of a harsh contour person on the nose, so this should be interesting. I'm gonna use the Benefit Live in the California Dream blush. I've been using cream products for the last few days, so I'm like all of a sudden like, what is powder? How do I use this? Highlights, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill, the Flash palette, and I'm gonna use Gleam and Sparks, which are those white and yellow shades. Then I'm grabbing a smaller brush and we're gonna go a little right on the nose. So I'm gonna finish my lower lash mascara and my lips, and then we will pick an outfit and do my hair and like accessories and stuff, and then we will have my full transformation into my Pinterest board. So I'll be right back. Okay, we have finished the makeup look. What do you guys think? In the lips in the look, she did have a little bit more of like a peachy lip, but I didn't bring any of my peachy tones because I don't normally wear them. Okay, next let's get into our outfit. Let's kind of see what we can find. I'll throw together an outfit and we'll see if we like it. I put on some earrings, but that's the only thing I've really done. But I pulled an outfit that actually like matches kind of my Pinterest board in a way really well. So I have this like beige Princess Polly. It's like a cardigan kind of, but it's like super cute. It has these ruffles and like these pearls buttons, and then I'm gonna put on this like white lace bralette. No idea where that's from. There's no tag on it. And then I have these white like flowy pants, and these are from Brave and True, and these are super comfortable and cute. And then I'm gonna wear these Jeffrey Campbell little Heelys. They're so cute. So let's throw it on, and then we'll put on like our necklaces and our rings and our bracelets, and then we'll do our hair, and then we're done. Then we transformed. Okay, I have the fit on and it's really cute. I'll show you in the mirror. The little heels, and then we have the white pants and the top with the bralette. I'm just like, now that I have the outfit on, I'm just putting on my jewelry. So these are the rings I have on this hand. These are my rings that I have, and then I'm gonna put on my necklaces. This is a super cute chain. I'm literally obsessed with it. And it was a birthday gift from my boyfriend, and it's like so cute. He was so sweet. Oh my gosh, wait, this is the perfect time to actually tell you guys about this. He looked through my Pinterest to like find a gift for my birthday, and I had a bunch of these pinned in my accessories board, and so he found it, like a really good brand, and then like did the right length and everything for my neck. Look at how pretty it is. I mean, you guys have probably seen it on me like 1,000 times by this point, but I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. Okay, and then I wanted to just add like a little bit of a longer chain. That's so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, I actually really like doing these little transformation videos with you guys. I think they're so fun. Okay, so basically how I'm going to start, hold on. Okay, is that better? Okay, so basically how I'm going to start doing my hair is I'm going to separate it. I want to make it a straight line down the middle, and then I'm gonna separate my curtain bangs. I think I have it. So then now I'm gonna separate the back of my hair into braids. We're really hoping this hairstyle is gonna work, because if it doesn't, I'm kind of screwed, and my only option now is to like do the rest of my hair with the straightener, and I don't have a heat protectant in right now. Do you guys ever look at pictures of you as a kid when you like didn't have that much hair and your mom gave you like the cutest hairstyles, and you're like, oh my god, I wish I could do cute little hairstyles like that now, but it would never work now. Like, just with how much hair you have, you can't like make those cute little dainty like ponytails and stuff like that, or like those little space buns. My mom used to give me space buns as a kid, and whenever I saw the pictures of me in space buns, I was like, oh my gosh, like my hair was so cute. But I can't do them now because I have such long thick hair that it just like won't work. Like, I don't even really wear buns anymore. Okay, honestly, doing transformations with you guys is kind of my favorite thing now. I think it's like such a fun way to challenge myself and like do the whole thing, because I feel like a lot of the time I'm just like, oh, I'll just do my makeup since I like makeup, and then I'll just like throw on a sweat fit and whatever, and then like post a picture in it of just my makeup and be like, cool, I did it, you know what I mean? Like I had fun doing it, I love makeup. But with the transformations, I do the whole thing. Like I throw the fit together, I do the hair, and I feel like it challenges me to do it all instead of just doing a third of it. Real quick, we gotta make sure we spray on some perfume. This one low-key matches the fit, so we're gonna go with it. Alright, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like these transformation kind of videos, and I hope I can switch it up a little bit to add a little bit of spice for you guys every time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't be afraid to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.